Bounce, baby. Come on.
What up, everybody? Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate that. How's everybody doing today? That's what's up. That's what's up. All right, guys. First of all, I just want to give a big shout out to my girlfriend for buying me this GoPro. That's what I have on right now in my head. I was telling her that I really want to buy this GoPro, but I was thinking about it, like the price is a little too high and this and that. But you know what? She surprised me with it. I was so happy and grateful. So in this video, I'm gonna go get some E85, mix it up. You guys already know, with this little mixer, and then I have my water here just to mix it up. Also, what I'm gonna do right now, Ryan sent me a new revision for my E30 tune. I'm gonna put the new tune on here, and then I'm gonna head out to go put some gas with the E85, and then after that I'm gonna go do some data logs, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do my data logs and how I just a normal day, like doing my data logs. And I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm pumped up, so let's go, guys. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna flash this revision. Just make sure your car is on. I'm gonna show you guys little steps how to do it. It's not that hard, but I'm gonna explain it to you guys. So make sure your car, this is off. Now let's turn it on. All right, let's go to here to my access port. Go to tune, change map. Let's see which one is it. All right, so let's do that. All right, so right now it's gonna flash its tune, do its thing. It's gonna go all crazy, but it's all good. All right, guys, so it's about to finish right now. Let's see. All right, guys, so it just finished doing its thing. Right now it's gonna say turn off your car, and then you're gonna wait 15 seconds. All right, there it goes. Turn it off, press OK, and then let's go back. Now we gotta wait 15 seconds, and we should be good. We're about to turn this bad boy on. Let's go. Make sure we're in. Let's make sure we're on map slot 2. Yeah, we good, bro. Let's turn our gauges on. Alright, we good, we good. Seatbelt first. Let's get out of here. Let's get it, let's get it. Alright guys, so let's get the lane. Alright, so let's drive. Let's see how this revision feels. So right now I'm on drive. I just turned on the alarm on that car. Oops. Oops. The street's so dark. Put the windows down, it's a little warm. Right now I'm gonna put on sport, see how that feels. Use my paddle shifters. Remember, guys, stop sign, stop. It's a little cool. Okay. I'm feeling a little different right now. Feels a little different. I'm gonna do a little pull over there. See how that feels. Nothing crazy. Yeah, watch out with the federales around here. There's a lot of them. They just chill right here. Who likes hearing pops? I love hearing the pops. Just makes people break the neck. Like, what the fuck? Alright, let's do a little pour here. We good? We good? Woo. Easy, bad boy. Now watch out this main intersection right here. Do another pull over here, just to show you guys what's up. on third gear right now, guys. Should I drop the gear? Should I drop the gear? Nah, I don't want to be that guy. Just chill, just chill. Fuck it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Shit. Another pull? Damn. Alright, let's calm down, let's calm down, let's calm down. Alright, we chilling now. Hopefully I'm getting the angle good, guys, so if I'm not, I'm sorry, first time, but I will learn. Trust me, I will learn. Let's take it easy. Alright guys, I'll be right back once I get to the gas station. Alright guys, so we just got here now. 76 gas station. Got my water, my tester. Let's pour it on here first. Let's see. Nah, this needs a little bit more. Yeah, it's kind of annoying testing it every time you gotta put some, but you know what, I'd rather do it than messing up my car or anything. Yeah, so we good, bro. Look at that, on the dot. Cool. So with this water, we can just empty it. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna put 5 gallons of E30 only, because my gas, I already have enough gas in there, so I just want to be like half tank at least. All right, so let's pour some corn in here. That thing's cold. That should be good. Yeah, that's good. Last time I put like, I think it was like 10 cents or something like that, and it filled it up perfectly. So let's go back to here. See how that goes. You guys can't really see because I'm, hold on. See how that's, oh, let's put it back over here. Oh, look at that, we're in the line, we good. So now shake it, shake it all up. Let it sit there for a bit, and then I'll be right back with you guys. All right guys, so it looks like it's done already, and it looks like it's full E85. It's right at the line where it says 85 right there. Maybe it picks it up, but yeah guys, it's full 85, so we good. Let's put the E first. Oh yeah, how many gallons do I have to put? I have to put 1.12 on the, hey, that's the same truck that I seen last time. Crazy guy. It says 1.12. He's still going. Dang. So it's 112, right? In there. Yeah, that's good. And then the rest, we're gonna check how much we have to put. Alright, so the rest, it's gonna be 3.08 of gasoline. Alright guys, we're just pulling up to Mexico right now. Let's start this. Take off my traction control, put on sport. Alright guys, so I just took off the traction control on my car. Just got to Mexico. Let's do this. Let's see how this is running. Jump into 2nd gear. Just go change my lane. It's pretty good right here. And let's launch. Start logging. And we good. Well, let's go. Whoop! That was a good one right there. That was good. That felt really good. Let's do another one. One more. Hey, you guys could hear that shit pop. Crazy. Alright, let's go. Come on. Drop down. Alright, here he goes. One more. We're good. Alright guys, so that was just a little data log that I do here in Mexico. Alright, now we're gonna go back to Cali, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys real quick once we get there. Alright guys, I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, just getting into back to Cali. Let me put my window up. Damn, nobody's even here in the freeway. It's crazy. Anyways, yeah, so that was my little 2 wide open throttle data logs. Right now I'm gonna get home. I'm gonna email it back to Ryan, and then from there to see what happens, see if it's good. Hopefully, I'm not sure he's gonna send me another revision or the last one, that's it, like it's final tune, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Anyways, with this GoPro, what I'm gonna do like a lot of more like point on, like it's gonna be like more POV, like what I do to the car, like any mods that I change, also any racing from in Mexico. We're gonna do that, and yeah guys, I'm really excited with this GoPro. Just stay tuned. Also, if you guys have any question about how to data log or how to like how to put tunes in your car, where to buy tunes, where to get good tunes, where to get cheap tunes, where to get like dyno tunes, just hit me up, message me. Also, you guys can hit me up on my Instagram or my Snapchat, or you can just comment on the video and I'll hit you guys back up. Yeah guys, any question you guys have, let me know. I'll try to help you guys out. But yeah guys, this video is really short. Just wanted to try out my new GoPro. So I'm gonna end the video here. If you have any questions, anything you guys want to tell me, hit me up. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, press the subscribe button. Let's get to that 1K this year. That's my goal, guys. But anyways, hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate that. Peace out, guys.